guys, welcome to Kiskitari. Remember to give the show a like. Remember to subscribe as well if you haven't. Thank you guys for making those orders. Those of you shirts guys, the t-shirts. We still have a few t-shirts up for sale. If you are interested in the shirts below, the shirts on the screen, just or comment shirt, t-shirt. Then I will get your email address. You need to give me your size as well, and then we will deliver for you guys. Delivery is free of charge. T-shirt is only 250. It's on a special. So yeah, guys, it's only special siapela. It's I only will probably be having them for the next 2 weeks. So yeah, guys, those of you who have made orders, I have shirts they are coming through. I also, if you don't mind, I will drop you my contact details. Ngakhuluma directly. I'll give you a call in order to update you and confirm ukuthi uyitholile i-order yakho. Yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. Sikhulume ngendaba transfer rumors, Kaizer Chiefs transfer rumors. A certain Brazilian coming to Kaizer Chiefs. It's Pitso Musimane's recommendations. Two players awazifunayo Pitso. Still indaba yakhe naye, it's unconfirmed. It's still a transfer rumor at the stage. Apparently he's talking to management and he's making demands, and uyabatshela ukuthi ufuna maphi ama-player. Remember ukuthi uSereno laphayana while still at Mamelodi Sundowns, he was signed by Pitso Mosimane. So yeah, guys, I'll tell you also about a certain Cape Town City youngster ifuna Pitso Mosimane to Kaizer Chiefs, and is recommended for management to sign him, that player. Apparently the hottest property in South African football right now. I'll tell you all about that player, so don't go anywhere. We'll talk about him. Drop your thoughts on comments. Let me play you that video of a certain Brazilian midfielder similar to a Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder. What do you think of him? I will put his video on the screen for you. I have muted the video because I need to be talking while the video is playing. So yeah, guys, I'm putting it on the screen for you right now. Let me just put it for you now. Yeah, tell me, what do you think of this player? Just to profile the player for you, his name is Gustavo Henrique. He is 27 years old. He plays for Santos there in Brazil, Brazil's top Primeira Divisi. Santos, you know, currently Neymar udlalela is Santos, guys. So it's not a small team; it's a big team. In Santos, you know, the late Pele, he also played for Santos. I think he's very much similar to a Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder. He is from Chile. If you know who I'm talking about, drop the name of the player on the comments section below. Ubani playing Mamelodi Sundowns Puma Chile. This guy, he looks very much similar, and he's also a playmaker. Nyambona, he can play them, he can defend. He's making some pretty much very good steals in the midfield. Yeah, we are Polia Maka. He's got a good range of passing. He can play them long, he can play them short. It looks like he can read the game. He's very much intelligent. Very, very intelligent on the ball. Yeah, guys, that is Gustavo Henrique playing for Santos, former Corinthians and Independente del Remera youth player. I'm developing laphayana eBrazil. He's 27 years old. Contract yakhe iyaphela 30 June 2026. Midfielder linked with Kaizer Chiefs. He is a playmaker. He is a central midfielder. 27 years old. It looks like he is still in the prime of his career. Yeah, so siyayazi Kaizer Chiefs nama free agent badlali. So yeah, there's currently I told you guys, if you watched the last show, there's another player from Stellenbosch that is rumored to have signed a pre-contract with Kaizer Chiefs. That is Thabo Moloisane, a central defender. So yeah, he's rumored to be on his way, and Simzwile no Kevin Hunt IT doesn't mind that he signed a pre-contract elsewhere, which is a confirmation ukuthi Moloisane he is coming to Kaizer Chiefs. Probably, I think he'll make a very good combination. No Roshun Totli. Roshun Totli, he will probably look like a new signing. Unfortunately, now he World Cup is around the corner. Roshun Totli will miss out on playing in the World Cup. So yeah, I'm injured. That injury has been injured the whole season, unfortunately, and also missing out on Bafana Bafana. What did you think of that game here, Bafana Bafana, guys? I in Panama, okay, they look good on the ball, but Bafana man, the whole position in my spaces lang bangekho dangerous khona bayaphasana mabafika phambili abakwazi ukukora bafana ne-Chiefs. Bayageja labantu. I don't know, ngifuna ukubona uHlongwane mina ukuthi what is he gonna do on the game on Tuesday. Probably uyozoyenza i-difference, but mina I'm not convinced. I think they'll be the whipping boys in the World Cup, and abazosheshe babuye Bafana Bafana. If you cannot score goals on the international level, azosheshe ubuye ekhaya, azosheshe baligeze ijezi. Right, guys, I'm not trying to talk about Bafana. What do you think of the perception that PSL teams don't want to sell to Kaizer Chiefs? Simbonile Osmond assigned by Orlando Pirates right under the noses of Chiefs. Babthatha iqatha emlomeni. Kaizer Junior confirmed that they were trying to sign U10111 Police, very much making an immediate impact lapha Kaizer Chiefs. Do you think it's true? Or maybe is it Kaizer Chiefs lacking the negotiation skills? Kwenzakalani laphayana? Why bahluleka ukusayina ama-transfer targets lapha Kaizer Chiefs? Let's hope the new coach will get the players that he wishes for. One of those players that he wishes for, on top of the rumored incoming coach, which is Mosimane, Emil Witbooi. You know Emil Witbooi, South African youth international player. Awuyashisa lo mfana, so asazi noma the rumors are true. But if it's true, I think they will have a gem in their hand. Nimzwile no Lebohang Maboe saying that he thinks he is probably the brightest prospect in the country right now. That is Surprise Ralani's son, Emil Witbooi. What do you think? Do you think it is a good move for Kaizer Chiefs to sign him? And he's still young. I think he can make a good combination. Nabo Mtuotai, Nabo Villaraz, Lapayan. I think they can make a great combo. So drop your thoughts on comments. Emil Witbooi to Naturena. That is the rumor. It's unconfirmed. It's just a rumor at this stage. Cape Town City player. Let me just put his contract details on the screen for you. So he's still contracted to Cape Town City. Cape Town City angeke ibhayize ngeplayer elifana no Witbooi. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs will probably have to buy him out of his contract if serious ngaye. So yeah, that is it. Ndaba yama free agent le bafethu. What do you think about that one? Yeah, guys, I've come to the end of the show. I played you that video. Ngibonile le yakavilakaza shayisukela umfana uvila laphayana kwayabantu shayis. But if you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna put it on the screen for you now. Athi siyibone le. That is Uvila. I think he's got an embodiment of a Kaizer Chiefs player and a Kaizer Chiefs DNA. Typical Kaizer Chiefs star. I think he is the future. So yeah, if they can get above Witbooi, you can imagine a combination here. I can do no Villa. So yeah, I think it's an exciting prospect So drop your thoughts on comments. In the Bayama t-shirt, guys, make your order. Drop the name t-shirt on the comments, and then I will get your email address and I will take your order in terms of size bani nani only 250. So yeah, drop t-shirt on comments below. That is all I have for today. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe.
Do you have a favorite player in the league?
In our league?
Yeah, in our league.
Yes, I do.
Who is it?
Tembazwane.
Sure. And then the most promising player in the league?
Right now?
Right now.
Emil Witbooi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay.
He's a jam.
He's a jam.
He is a jam. I promise you. So talented.
I need to watch his game. I'm not familiar with his game, I'll be honest. Yeah, I'm not familiar with his game.
So talented. I promise you, so talented. So talented. Yeah, mawazu surprise Ralani Spiro.
Yeah.
Yeah, same. Mfano wake.
Kala basira tsa kwa morago e wela jalo gape mo tseleng ya ga Tebisa Mrembula o e ba mo tseleng ya ga Tshepaga kwa go tenye kgakala Afrika Borwa ya boepela Moses Mopida ya boemela yotlhe banka ya Afrika Borwa Afrika Chipembe South Africa Hoswinapolis Sikanyana Simorolo Tata Aitamegala Morabone Tembazwane Mremula Lwantwa Ekopana Chalo le Tshepaga Arumela go tenye kgakala Athula Sailorman Ekopana le Hoswinapolis Atsa khweleo a ipha mo e tshwanetse go nna gone a ipha mo le tloenga ya bona gore 1-1 ene tshwanetse go bua jana Mama Joy Abatala ka joy Abatala ka boitumelo